talk about dividing by powers of 10. We already know what a power of 10 is. So this problem is going to look something like 423 divided by 10 to the second power. Okay, so really what this is saying is 423 divided by 100. All right, now this is asking us how many 100s fit into our 423. When we're dividing by something bigger than 100, it's opposite of multiplication. Our number is going to get smaller. So remember that in every number there is a decimal. It's always behind the ones place. And sometimes we have to make that decimal appear. In this case, because our exponent is 2, and remember that 2 comes from the 2 zeros that we have, or the 2 tens that we have to multiply to get the 100. So because that exponent is 2, our decimal is going to jump forward 2 places. So our answer here is 4 2/3. Okay. The other kind of problem that we have is when we have to multiply by a decimal. So if we had 423 divided by, let's say, 1/10. Now, I'm just going to show as a side note here, if I had 423 divided by 1/10 written as a fraction, what would I do? Remember, back to dividing by fractions, I would rewrite that problem as multiplication using the reciprocal. Okay, so this 1/10 got flipped over, and so now it's a 10. So when you divide by a decimal, if your decimal is in the 10th place, it's the same thing as multiplying by a 10. All right, for instance, if we had 423 divided by 100th, it would be the same thing as 423 times 100. And I got that 100 because this 1 is in the 100th place. Same thing would be if I was doing 423 divided by 1,000th. The 1 is in the 1,000th place, so I can rewrite that as multiplication using the reciprocal. And then dividing by this decimal becomes very easy. Now this is only with powers of 10, all right? And you'll be doing this in your assignment for multiplying and dividing by powers of 10. If you have any questions, write them down and email them to me or give me a call. I'd love to chat about it, and have a great day.